And welcome to the 9th tutorial in the CSS Basics tutorial series, and in this tutorial we're going to look at the font property. This tutorial assumes you have done tutorial 1. If you haven't, there'll be a link in the description, and as usual there'll be a link in the description to the source code produced from this tutorial. Well, the font property allows you to set loads of different styling effects to your font. You can set the style, the weight, the family size, etc. We're just going to look at setting a few, and then you can go online, look for example, the W3 Schools website, which is great, w3schools.com. They have CSS, HTML, PHP, JavaScript, and loads more tutorials and resources. It's an amazing website. If you have any questions about font or any other coding questions, feel free to message us. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up a text editor, and then open up the files from tutorial 1. Okay, so now that's open, we're just going to go to the index.css, and in the body tag, we're going to leave the color as red. That doesn't really matter. Just going to put font, colon, and first we're just going to set the size of the font. We're going to put 15 pixels, and then we're just going to set the actual font family, and we're going to put Arial, comma, sans serif, and save that. So let's just go to the web page and open it up. There we go, it's actually changed, but I'll just get rid of this a second so you can see the difference. So if I just go back to Chrome, refresh, and now it's got the default font and styling. If we go back to it, just undo, and I'll actually set the font to something quite big so I can see a visual difference. 55 pixels. Refresh Google Chrome. It's bigger. It's got the new font family. That's how you use the font property locks. Actually, I'll show you the W3 Schools website and where you can go on. So w3schools.com. If you just go on CSS reference, and there's so many different properties that you can set for CSS. We're not going to cover nowhere near all of these. We're just going to cover the basics, which will give you a good basis to do web development. And we're looking at font. Here you go, just shows you a couple of examples, let it try it yourself. This is also a great thing about W3 Schools. It shows you what web browsers it supports, and here's some of the property values, and here's the syntax as well. But yeah, this is a fantastic website. In the next tutorial, we're going to look at how to just specifically set the font family of text, and if you need any of the source code that we've used in this tutorial, there'll be links in the description. And thanks for watching.